Want to make sense of the random data generated by your business? Meet Power BI, a robust visualization tool that will help you bridge the gap between data and decision making. With a variety of use cases across several industries, Power BI equips you to run numerous what-if situations to predict future demands, and empowers you to derive meaningful insights to make strategic, data-driven business decisions. So, whether you're a manufacturer trying to optimize your supply chain, a retailer aiming to manage inventory, or a small business owner trying to visualize resource expenditures, Power BI can be a one-stop solution for all your needs. These unique features of Power BI give it a competitive edge and make it a go-to visualization tool for businesses. Enhanced Data Discovery Suite and ETL, robust natural language query combined with interactive dashboards for quick insights, improved segmentation and cohort analysis, intuitive UI and easy integration with data warehouse, ERP, and CRM systems. Here's a step-by-step process of how you too can create your own dashboards using Power BI and generate reports for the same. When we open Power BI, this is the window that we will see. The first thing we need to do is import our data from Excel. We will select the dataset to be used. Then, we will select the table that we want to work with. At this point, we can click on Transform Data to modify or change any columns and then simply hit Load. Here, we can now see the data in the Fields section. The first thing we're doing is adding a card. To display the quantity, we can either drag and drop it in the Fields section or simply select it. We can then resize the card as per our need. We're now adding another card to display sales and one in which we can display profits. We can also add a border to our cards by going to Format, General, Effects, and turn on Visual Border. We can also make other changes such as add background, change the title, etc. Let us now see how we can display sales by region. We will use a pie chart to do the same. We can select pie chart from the visualization section and resize it as needed. Then, under Legend we can put region and under Values, we put sales. Our pie chart is now ready. We can again go under Format, General, and Title to make any necessary changes. The next thing we're doing is displaying change in profit and sales on a year-on-year basis, for which we will use a line chart. In the line chart, we will put date in the x-axis, since we want to display growth only on a year-on-year basis. We will deselect quarter, month, and day. We then add profit under y-axis and sales under secondary y-axis. This is reflected in our line chart. The light blue line here shows profit, whereas the darker blue line shows sales. At this juncture, we can go under Format to turn on markers and data labels that give us a more detailed visual. As shown before, we can also change the title, add a background, etc. The next thing we'll do is display top 5 products by sales. To do so, we will use a clustered bar chart. We can align it according to the rest of our visuals. We can then add product name in the y-axis and sales in the x-axis. We can now see all the products in the chart categorized according to sales. However, since we only want to look at the top 5 products, we can go under Filters, Product Name, Basic Filtering, and Top End. Since we want top 5 products, we will add the number 5 here, and since we want to see top 5 products by sales, we will add sales under by value and hit Apply Filter. We can now see our top 5 products according to sales. We can now modify the visual by changing the title and alignment, adding borders, etc. So, this is what our basic report looks like. Now, let's add a text box to give a title to our report. We can also increase the font size and change the color. One unique feature of Power BI is that it gives us the ability to ask questions related to the report. For this, we need to select Q&A or simply double-click on the dashboard. We can then ask specific questions or click on suggestions to view a particular metric. We can now publish our report and share it with relevant stakeholders. Or we can export it and save it as a PDF. Here's what our final report looks like. While commonly used tools such as Microsoft Excel equip you to build similar dashboards and avail reports, it is evident that Power BI gives a superior, more elegant output that provides a competitive edge. Lidor Infotech has garnered extensive expertise in curating cutting-edge Power BI solutions for unique business needs. With these, you can provide thorough analytics for any type of data, team up with AI and ML to accelerate decision-making, enhance data security, facilitate REST API and Power BI integration, provide real-time data streaming using Power BI's interface with Azure Machine Learning and Azure Stream Analytics, leverage big data analytics to garner insights. Reach out to us at Lidor Infotech to learn more about our data analytics and Power BI capabilities.